Let's start. The project name is the View Pager with dynamic fragments. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity, a View Pager fragment, a View Pager adapter, and a View Pager util class. In the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity, and a fragment_viewpager.xml file, which is the UI of our dynamic fragments. In the drawable folder, we have two XML files, to show the selected and unselected View Pager.indicator. This is the selected.indicator file. This is the unselected.indicator file. In the activity_main.xml file, the constraint layout is the root layout. This is the View Pager. The linear layout is used to show the dot indicator of the View Pager. In the fragment_viewpager.xml file, we simply have a text view. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the View Pager adapter that extends the fragment state adapter. This adapter creates the fragments for the View Pager and keeps their count. These are the imports. This is the View Pager util class. This class is used to create the dot indicator of the View Pager. Here we set up the singleton object creation pattern. The setup indicator function creates the dot indicator. And this function handles the dot indicator when the back button of the device is pressed. These are the imports. This is the View Pager fragment which extends a fragment. In the onCreateView function, we set the UI of our dynamic fragments. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members of the class. We are going to create 5 fragments with this data. In the onCreate function, we create fragments for the View Pager, then we set up the View Pager with an adapter and dot indicator. When the back button is pressed, we call the setViewPagerBackPress function. This function handles the View Pager when the back button of the device is pressed. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a View Pager with dynamic fragments in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.